Hello, amazing fans. Welcome to today's mathematics class. In today's class, I will be teaching us how to find the derivative of a function from the first principle. Look at this question here. To find from first principle the derivative of 3 over what? X with respect to x. Good. Now we know that from the first principle, think that whenever we are asked to derive or find the derivative from the first principle, their mind quickly go to dy dx equal to the limit function of, let's say, h tends to 0 of this function f of what? H, that is x plus h minus a function of x all over, okay, h. This is what they think they should use, but I don't want to use this formula, okay? I don't want to use this formula. Let us derive it. This formula was derived from this principle. So let's clean this, okay? Now, the first thing you need to, first of all, do here is, let's divide the board. You say y equal to what? It's equal to 3 over x. This is equation 1. Okay, let me call it equation 1. Good. The next thing we are going to do now, we are going to take increment. Increment means change in either y or x. And that is denoted by what? Delta. We use delta, either delta x or delta y. Delta x or delta y. Okay. So we take the increment on the left side and take increment on the what? Right side. So which will now give us a y plus delta y equal to that of x becomes 3 over what? X plus delta x. Then we can call this one equation 2. So the next step you take now is to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is to say equation 2 minus equation 1. So whatever you do here, do it to the left, also do it to the right hand side. So that we'll have what? Y plus delta y, then minus y equal to, my right hand side going to give me 3 over x plus delta x minus 3 over what? X. So this is your, this minus this, okay, this minus this, and this minus this. So here the y and y can go, so that we have delta y equal to, let's find the LCM of this denominator, okay? The LCM there is what? X multiplying x plus delta x. That's the LCM. Now let us carry out division. So this one will go into here to the main x. So multiply 3 gives me what? 3x, then minus, okay, because of this minus here. Then x goes into this. X will be out. It will remain x plus delta x. So that multiply by 3 to give us what? 3 into what? X plus delta x. So let's go. Here, let's open the brackets. So your delta y is on the left side. Then have 3x, then minus. Distribute 3 to the brackets. We're going to have 3x, then minus 3 delta x all over x into what? X plus delta x. So here, this one and this one can go, okay? We now have what? Delta y equal to, here becomes negative 3 delta x all over. Now let's multiply this denominator by this x. So let's open the brackets. We're going to have what? X squared, then plus x delta what? X. Now the next step now is to divide both sides by what? Delta x. We have delta y all over what? Delta x, okay, equal to, the right hand side become negative 3 delta x, everything over x squared plus x delta x times 1 all over what? Delta x. So whenever you are dividing by anything, it means you are taking 1 all over that thing to multiply whatever you are dividing. Just take note of that in mathematics. For example, I want to divide 10 by 5. It means I will multiply 10 by 1/5. That is the basis. So here, that x can cancel out, right? So that we have what? Beta y over what? Beta x equal to -3 all over what? X squared plus what? X beta what? X. Now it is time for us to take the limiting function of what? The limiting function of beta y beta x. As beta x tends to 0, automatically we will have what is called the y dx. The y dx. So it means wherever beta x is, we are going to put 0 there. So let's finish it from here. Wherever beta y or beta x is, it will give us, that's dy dx equal to -3 all over what? X squared plus x into what? 0. So beta x tends to 0 there. So finally, your dy dx equal to -3 all over what? X squared. So this is our answer. The derivative from the first principle. If you understood this topic, please help us to share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. To do so, God bless you. Bye.